Dino Donuts, a prehistoric snack adventure. In the heart of a colorful prehistoric village named Dinoville stood a special little shop, Tina's Dino Donuts. The shop was the pride of the town, famous for its stone-baked donuts, fluffy and golden brown, with flavors that could make any dinosaur roar with delight. Above the shop, a massive stone sign shaped like a donut caught the eye of every dino who passed by. Tina the Triceratops was the proud owner of the shop. She wore a crisp apron and a chef's hat that perched perfectly between her horns. Every morning, Tina carefully baked trays of donuts in her ancient stone oven, filling the air with the delicious aroma of honey-glazed treats. Her smile was as warm as her oven, and her donuts were as sweet as her heart. One day, two young dinosaurs, Spike the Stegosaurus and Flap the baby pterodactyl, decided to try Tina's famous donuts for the first time. As they took their first bites, their eyes widened in amazement. "Wow, these are Dinolicious!" Spike exclaimed while Flap nodded enthusiastically, crumbs dusting his beak. But across the marketplace, another smell wafted through the air, a rich, savory aroma. It was coming from Auntie Dippy's food stall. Auntie Dippy was a kind but competitive diplodocus with a love for cooking traditional Greek souvlaki. Her stall was decorated with flowers and vines, and she served skewers of sizzling souvlaki on rustic wooden platters. "Dino donuts are good," Auntie Dippy said with a wink, "but have you tried my souvlaki? It's the real treat of Dinoville." Word spread quickly, and soon the town was buzzing with excitement. Who made the best snack, Tina's donuts or Auntie Dippy's souvlaki? To settle the debate, the townsfolk decided to host a Dino snack-off. The day of the competition arrived, and the village square was decorated with colorful banners of leaves and flowers. On a big stage, Tina and Auntie Dippy stood ready to showcase their creations. The air was excited as dinosaurs of all sizes gathered to watch. First, Tina presented her donuts, painting the stage with her sweet treats. Then Auntie Dippy served up her souvlaki, the skewers glistening with herbs and spices. A group of dino judges, including a wise old brachiosaurus with tiny spectacles, took their positions to taste both snacks. The judges sampled Tina's donuts and Auntie Dippy's souvlaki. Each bite was met with thoughtful chewing and murmurs of appreciation. The audience watched with bated breath as the brachiosaurus took a bite of Tina's honey-glazed donut in one hand and a piece of Auntie Dippy's souvlaki in the other. Meanwhile, Auntie Dippy decided to lighten the mood by performing her famous diplodocus donut dance. Balancing a donut on her nose, she twirled gracefully, causing the crowd to erupt into laughter and cheers. Inspired, some young dinosaurs joined in, stomping and clapping along to the beat. Finally, the judges reached their decision. But instead of choosing one winner, they announced, "We can't pick just one. Both snacks are Dinomite." The crowd roared with approval, and dinosaurs clapped their claws and stomped their tails in joy. Tina and Auntie Dippy shared a warm hug on stage, their smiles as big as the prehistoric sky. Confetti made of colorful leaves rained down as the townsfolk celebrated their shared love of food and fun. From that day forward, Dinoville became known as the home of the Dino Snack-Off, where donuts and souvlaki brought the community together. And Tina and Auntie Dippy, they became the best of friends, proving that sometimes, the sweetest success is one you share. The end.